Can you make him?
Okay.
Hey, his helmet
You know
moves.
that remote control tank thing?
He's pressing it.
You know? Oh man. It was like this big. And it was silver. Oh! I thought it was a really thin rubber.
How does it turn?
If you use the whole stick, I think he said is what you did.
Remember, pull the one back towards you. Oh!
Whoa! Man, you took out the apron, the cabinet, the bar!
I'm making it go. Grammy, I'm making it go everywhere.
You are making it. It went down the hall to the bedrooms. It went in the kitchen. Oh! Oh, here he comes on this side. Oh, no, there he goes on this side. Where is he?
It's right there.
Oh, okay. Can you bring him in here?
I need to turn him my right.
Yep.
He's crashing into everything. Mom, how does he turn? Oh! I turned him.
Whoa. His tires are just going back and forth.
Push him forward.
There he goes. Into the Christmas tree.
Present the present.
Yeah.
Oh!